With the secret information, 60 packets of dry weed was caught at a container vehicle with number plate of AS01MC-0388 at Paglachora of Kumarghat on Monday. A total of 1500 kg of dry weed was found inside 60 packets. The value of dry weed is 2.5 crore. However, Kumarghat police were unable to arrest any of the offender. Kumarghat police have received a positive news with the initiative taken by SDPO Kamal Dev Burma of Kumarghat police station in searching of substance abuse on Monday. With the secret information, 60 packets of dry weed was caught at a container vehicle with number plate of AS01MC-0388 at Paglachora of Kumarghat on Monday. A total of 1500 kg of dry weed was found inside 60 packets. The value of dry weed is 2.5 crore. However, Kumarghat police were not able to arrest any of the offender. With the information came to know that a secret information was sent to SDPO Kamal Dev Burma of Kumarghat on Monday that a container vehicle with number plate of AS01MC-0388 was being parked since Sunday night at Asamagatla Road of Paglachora area and there might be some illegal substance at the vehicle. And as soon as they received an information, SDPO Kamal Dev Burma and OC Shankar Shah took an initiative and with Kumarghat police, they started searching the vehicle and found 60 packets of dry weeds and 1500 kg of dry weed were found inside the packets. The value of weed is 2.5 crore. However, Kumarghat police were unable to arrest any of the offenders. Later, Jawan of Assam Rifle from Phatigroy Radhanagar arrived at the location as soon as they got the information. Likewise, SP Kanta Jangir of Unakoti district also arrived at the location after hearing the news of a worth of 2.5 crore of dry weeds was caught by police.
घाट और एसडीपीओ कुमारघाट की सीक्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन के बेस पर हमने एक व्हीकल को डिटेन किया जो बेचेरा में ड्यू टू नाका चेकिंग वो छोड़कर भाग गया था, छुप गया था। तो इस व्हीकल को हम लोग डिटेन करके लेकर आए। इस व्हीकल का नंबर है AS01MC-0388 और जब हमने इसको ओपन किया तो इसमें 60 पैकेट्स गांजा के मिले हैं। अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू जो है इसका ये है 1500 kg और वैल्यू है 2 करोड़ 25 लाख रुपीज़। तो अभी तो प्रॉपर केस इसमें रजिस्टर होगा और आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसमें बाकी डिटेल्स दी जा सकती है।
गाड़ी में कोई आदमी मिला मैडम?
नहीं, पर्सन को हम लोग डिटेन नहीं कर पाए लेकिन हम केस हम रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं और गाड़ी का स्क्रीन रिपोर्ट और बाकी इन्फॉर्मेशन के बेस पर हम जल्दी अरेस्ट भी कर लेंगे।
आपका परिचय दीजिए।
कांता जांगी डेस्को नाकोटी।
थैंक यू।
Later, Kumarghat police lodged an FIR under NDPS Act and started investigating the case thoroughly. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.